In this video, I will give you detailed guidelines on how to effectively get rid of the browser hijacker that is called DirectPDF. The website related to this hijacker is direct-pdf.com. The developers of this service indicate that by installing the extension, you will be able to convert your files into PDF format or vice versa. But the reality is that it basically functions as a typical adware. Adware that changes your important browser settings without your permission. It may change your default homepage, default search engine, and even the new tab URL. So when you submit some search queries, you may soon realize that for some reasons the results are delivered not by Google anymore, but rather by some other unfamiliar search engine. There are times when the results are provided by Bing, by Yahoo, but still it's not your choice to use these search engines. And that's the direct PDF extension that can be blamed for such unauthorized alterations of your browser preferences. So I recommend you to get rid of this direct PDF as soon as you can. Go to the menu of your Google Chrome, click on More Tools, then Extensions. Now disable and delete any third-party extensions that you find here, especially those related to this particular browser hijacker. I would also strongly advise that you perform additional research of your Mac computer or Windows computer with Combo Cleaner. You may go to the official page combocleaner.com. Then, after the software is successfully downloaded and installed, let it update the antivirus database and click on Start Combo Scan to let the program begin the complex investigation of your computer. At the end of scan, you will see the summary of threats and their exact location on your computer. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The good thing about Combo Cleaner Antivirus trial mode is that it gives you the complete summary of threats on your Mac, including their exact location. To find out where the threats are located, go to the antivirus section at the end of scan and click on the review results link. So this is the summary of all threats, and as you can clearly see, the program gives you not just the threat name but its particular location on your Mac computer. So you may click on this icon that says Show in Finder. This will reveal you the threat in Finder. You may right-click on it and move it to the trash. So you may do the same thing with each specific threat one at a time. Or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the program in order to get rid of all these threats automatically and keep your Mac protected.